We will be using Napoleon ice cream for our fried ice cream today because we'll be making 4 separate balls, one of each flavor. So this ice cream is just perfect for it. So we can make a strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, and the last one will be a mix of all 3 flavors. So what we'll be doing is making 4, and we'll freeze them, then fry 2 today, and we can save the other 2 for another day. So let's start. So to do the fry ice cream, we need a bowl with a sheet of saran wrap over the top, and that will keep the bowl clean when the ice cream is put in. Then we'll scoop out the flavor that we like. So in this case, I'm scooping the chocolate, so this will be our second one. And then you pull the 2 sides together, then we roll it into a ball, then you turn it and squeeze it and form it. Doesn't matter if it's not perfect, it's fine, because once it's deep fried you won't even notice. Once those are complete, now we move on to the last one. We got some pistachio. We'll crush them into fine pieces, doesn't have to be tiny. Then we just sprinkle some on and we layer the ice cream on it. So for every layer we sprinkle some, then we'll just keep adding the different flavor, strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate on it. Then we finally add the last layer and finish it off by pulling the 2 sides together and then rolling it into a ball like earlier. Then we'll set them aside and put them in the freezer to freeze for 2 hours. While the ice cream is refreezing in the freezer, we get ourselves a Ziploc bag, add some Rice Krispie cereal in it and crush it. Then we can pour it out into our bowl. I selected Rice Krispie cereal because it's not sweet. Then we get a large egg in a separate bowl, crack it, and then we beat it up until it's smooth. Once that's done, we can remove the ice cream after 2 hours to dip into this egg wash. Now once the ice cream is well coated in this egg wash, we transfer it to our cereal. Once the ice cream is well coated, we get some saran wrap, wrap the ice cream into it and put it back in the freezer for 2 hours before we repeat the process all over again. So once it's done the second time, we'll leave it in the freezer overnight for about 12 hours before you take it out for deep frying. 12 hours later, we can remove the ice cream and add it into our 175 degrees oil and deep fry it for about 15 to 20 seconds. Any longer, the ice cream may begin to start melting. Then once it's ready, we remove it and we can start plating. So today we'll be deep frying 2 ice cream, 1 pistachio and 1 without. Then we'll give both a try and see how it is. Plated our ice cream and we add some whipped cream with raspberry over the top, and we pour some honey as sweetener, and this is good to go. For the second one, we'll do the same: whipped cream, top and side, raspberry, and top with some honey for flavoring. Now we can give this a try and see how this is. Oh yes, the ice cream is still frozen, the outside is crispy. This is very nice. Perfect.